अबे छोड़ ना, होम्योपैथिक दोस्त है ये।
कौन से दोस्त?
देख भाई, दोस्त ना 3 तरह के होते हैं। पहले होते हैं आयुर्वेदिक दोस्त, जो बोलचाल बातचीत मेल मिलाप सब में अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन इमरजेंसी में कभी काम नहीं आते। दूसरे होते हैं एलोपैथिक दोस्त, इमरजेंसी में यही काम आते हैं, लेकिन कब कहाँ क्या साइड इफेक्ट कर जाए कोई भरोसा नहीं। और तीसरे होते हैं ये होम्योपैथिक दोस्त। अबे लाइफ में रहे ना रहे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सिर्फ चिल मार।
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ajay. I'm a doctor from Bangalore, India. Last year I made a reaction video to Kabir Singh's trailer and people seem to really like it. So after that I was thinking what medical related video that I can react to, and I bumped upon Operation MBBS. It is made by Dice Media and it is sponsored by Unacademy. So I'm guessing it will be good. It's kind of like life in a medical college, how it will be and all that. So I think this should be interesting for everyone, for a doctor who has already passed through med school and people who want to get into med school and people who just curious about how life is in med school. So let's get started.
Bow down. हीरो है तू कॉलेज का, दूसरे दिन ही जीन्स।
सॉरी सर, सॉरी।
चल।
So yeah, right at the outset, this is very, this looks very authentic. Okay, so there are always seniors who are sitting there waiting for the juniors to rag, especially on the first day, second day, first few weeks of med school. And yeah, you notice that he called the senior sir. This is actually how we are supposed to call our seniors in med school. Like, even if they're just 1 year senior to you, you have to call them sir. This is more like a military tradition of, having that levels of seniority. I mean, it might come of some use when you are a doctor and you're working in a team and you have to listen to your senior. But I mean, this is more kind of like a ragging thing. And sometimes we just call our seniors sir out of respect, but most of the times it is forced upon us.
मुर्गा बन।
सर मुर्गा बनने तो नहीं आता है, जहाज बन जाओ।
बन जा। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मैम आप लोग मुझे पास क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो मैम? 4 साल हो गए। हाउसफुल 1 आई थी, मैं तब भी फर्स्ट ईयर में था, और हाउसफुल 4 आकर निकल गई, मैं अब भी फर्स्ट ईयर में।
हाउसफुल 1 तुमने 2016 में देखी?
मैम आप बात को घुमाइए नहीं, मुझे पता है ये ना आप लोग की साजिश है मेरे खिलाफ। आप लोग नहीं चाहते कि मैं पास हो जाऊं, मुझे भी डॉक्टर बनना है मैम। मेरे पिताजी का प्रेशर है मेरे सर पर कि उनके अर्थराइटिस का ट्रीटमेंट मैं करूंगा। आप क्या चाहते हो बुढ़ापे में बेचारे वो मेरे इंतजार में मरते रहे, दर्द से तड़पते रहे वो? आपने इस बार मुझे फेल किया ना मैम।
हम फेल करते नहीं, तुम खुद होते हो कितन चोटाई।
प्लीज कॉल मी केसी। आप मुझे पास करोगे या नहीं?
लास्ट ईयर एडमिन ब्लॉक के छत पे चढ़ गए थे, 2 घंटा तमाशा करके खुद नीचे आ गए।
मैम एक्चुअली ना क्या है कि उस समय लू बहुत तेज थी और लू से मुझे घमौरियां हो जाती हैं।
केसी, पास होना है तो पढ़ाई करो, नौटंकी नहीं।
ठीक है, ठीक है, आपको नोटिंग की मैम।
Okay, so there are people like this in every batch. I mean, it's not like in engineering where you can, take carryover. Especially in first year, you have to pass all the subjects in first year to go to second year, and after that, till final year, you can take, carryover subjects, 1 or 2 subjects, things like that. But first year, you have to pass all the subjects, otherwise you don't go to second year. So there will always be people who haven't. Oh, that was a cracker. Happy Diwali. Yeah, so there are always people who haven't passed first year. So this guy is one of those. And what he's saying is not completely true, but your professors can kind of fail you if they don't like you. It's a very bad situation in medicine where too much power is in the hands of the examiner. If you dress like this and if you go with a beard and all that, they can hate you and they can fail you, or if they have some personal vendetta against you, they can fail you. So yeah, this guy has flunked.
वाओ लिटमैन
हाँ अम्मी ने मुझे दिया था जब मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ था.
So Littmann is a brand of stethoscope that most doctors use. It's an American brand. It's a very high quality brand, and it's very rare to have it when you're a medical student because you don't need that level of quality when you're a medical student. At least not in first year, because you barely will be using it in first year. First year you won't have any clinicals, you won't be seeing any patients. The only place where you will be using your stethoscope is to learn how to check BP or learn how to just listen to heart sounds on your friends. So you won't be seeing patients. So Littmann is a bit of an overkill for first year, but okay.
अरे मैंने सुना तेरा तो एम्स में एडमिशन हो गया था, फिर तू वो छोड़ के यहाँ क्यों आई?
हाँ वो अम्मी नहीं चाहती थी कि मैं दिल्ली जाऊँ, और वैसे भी दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वंस नो.
Okay, so she seems to know how to use a stethoscope, but she forgot the most fundamental point of how to use a stethoscope. And the thing is, she wore the stethoscope the wrong way. It should turn forwards. Here it is turned backwards. And when she turned the chest piece, so that is because there are two parts. The first is the diaphragm, which is anterior, what she used, and the other part is the bell. So you can turn the tubing around and that you can select where you hear the sounds from. So she knocked on the diaphragm to make sure the sound is coming from the diaphragm and not from the bell.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the dissection hall. I am Dr. Nikam, in charge of the dissection hall.
Does this happen in every medical college? Because we literally had someone just like this in anatomy in first year.
कभी देखा है dissection hall? Look around and be comfortable with the space. We are going to spend lot of time together in this hall with dead body. कभी देखिए dead body? नहीं? देखोगे? Dead body? Come. थोड़ी सी जगह बनाओ.
Yes, it does stink. That stink is basically because of formalin, where how the bodies are preserved. But after some time, you kind of get used to it and it stops bothering you. But I mean, even when you wear gloves and dissect and then you take off the gloves, your hands kind of still kind of stink. And our dissection we had like 1.5 to 2 hours of dissection every day in first year, and that was just before the lunch break. So for the first few weeks, I just didn't want to have lunch.
ये बिशन सिंह है और ये बेदी, हमारे लैब असिस्टेंट्स. एक नंबर के काम चो. आउट. जी सर. आउट. फास्ट. आउट. आपने फिल्मों में देखा होगा, मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स डेड बॉडीज को देखकर घबराने लगते हैं, उल्टियां करने लगते हैं, बेहोश हो जाते हैं.
This literally happened in the first dissection class we had. A girl passed out and there was this pool of formalin on the floor. Yeah, she kind of fell on that pool of formalin and...
है ना? बकवास. वो बेहोश होते हैं इस स्मेल की वजह से. कोई बता सकता है ये स्मेल किससे आती है?
Formalin or formaldehyde.
हाँ, यस.
फॉर्मलिन सर.
Good. Very good. Before we begin, I want every one of you to understand one thing. This cadaver is not dead. It is alive with knowledge. Come, come, come. This is Dr. Patoli. मुझसे पहले एनाटॉमी यही पढ़ाते थे. He donated his body for medical science for you guys, so that you can understand the mysteries of the human body.
So yeah, even the cadaver that I worked on, so we have like a batch of 25 students working on one cadaver. So every day it starts with kind of body parts. So we first started with thorax, I think, the chest. So my cadaver was a lady, and she was a doctor. So after her death, her relatives decided to donate her body for medical science, and because of her, I have learnt anatomy now, and I'm a doctor today. Whoever you were, thank you.
What a man. मरने के बाद भी बच्चों को एनाटॉमी पढ़ा रहे हैं. Remember, whenever we are performing dissection on Dr. Patoli, be extra careful and very, very respectful. Understood? Yes, sir. Okay, let's start. Just as you can see, this is biceps muscle.
Okay, this is again very well portrayed. I think they have a medical student or a doctor in the team telling them how things work, because this is very accurate. Because there are 25 people standing around the table, the shorter ones won't be able to see if they're standing in the back. So they usually have to, put on a stool and stand up so they can see. It's very, very well done.
Why is it called bicep? Because it has two heads of origin. This is small head, see? And this is, hey, don't push. Don't push. Why is it called bicep? Because it has two heads of origin. This is small head, see? And, hey, don't push. ध्यान देंगे. So, this is small head, see? And this is large head. Understood? And this is baby of bicep. Okay? This is insertion of bicep at radial tuberosity. Bishan Singh, Vedi! Dr. Patoli को उठाओ, उठाओ! Dr. Patoli, sorry. Extremely sorry. उठाओ! Who did this? Who did this? किसने किया? किसने किया? किसने किया? सामने आओ. उसका dissection अभी की अभी कर दूंगा मैं.
Why didn't you say that he flipped the table? पहले.
So yeah, first day of my dissection, two of my friends got caught from this very strict teacher, and the reason were that they were talking. They were like being really strict, and they got caught and they were sent out for like 2 or 3 days, and they had to write a written letter of apology and all that. So first few days they tend to be really strict, but things like this, flipping the cadaver and all that doesn't happen obviously.
यार हुमा साक्षी दोनों सड़ी हुई है. केसी भाई यार हमारा सॉरी भी फेल हो गया.
अबे छोड़ ना, होम्योपैथिक दोस्त है ये.
कौन से दोस्त?
देख भाई, दोस्त ना 3 तरह के होते हैं. पहले होते हैं आयुर्वेदिक दोस्त, जो बोलचाल बातचीत मेल मिलाप सब में अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन इमरजेंसी में कभी काम नहीं आते. दूसरे होते हैं एलोपैथिक दोस्त, इमरजेंसी में यही काम आते हैं, लेकिन कब कहाँ क्या साइड इफेक्ट कर जाए कोई भरोसा नहीं. और तीसरे होते हैं ये होम्योपैथिक दोस्त. अबे लाइफ में रहे ना रहे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. चिल मार.
Okay, so that was it. I hope you liked it. So my final thoughts on this, it is very well made. and they probably have a proper medical student or a doctor or a medical college professor as a consultant, because they got almost everything right except for the fact that that is not a real skeleton, it's some plastic or POP or something like that. They were very good eye for detail, like the fact that they were wearing half sleeved white coats and not full sleeved white coats. Unlike in the US and UK, medical students here in India are supposed to wear only half sleeve white coats. Only when you become a doctor, that is only when you finish your final MBBS and become an intern or a house surgeon, that's when you'll be allowed to wear a full coat. That is the case in most colleges, but some colleges like mine, even interns can't wear full coats. We had to wear short sleeve coats, but now that I'm a proper doctor, I can wear a full sleeve coat. So it also goes like if you become a professor, you can wear a slightly longer length coat or things like that, but that's too much details. But I hope you like this video. This is an amazing show. I'm going to be watching other episodes as well. And let me know if you want me to make any reaction videos to the other episodes of this web series, or any other medical related web series or TV shows that you want me to, review or just watch and react. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.